In this video I'm going to show you how to check someone's birthday on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, and in that video I'm gonna show you a couple of different ways how you can check that. So let's begin. And once you are on Snapchat, you can scroll down for a bit and then go to my friends, and all you're gonna know that there is no way to know the exact date of birth of some person on Snapchat. There is no such function, but first you're gonna try. You may go to profile of that person, and here you see that sign. This sign is a zodiac sign. Now I know that that person is Scorpio, and now I know that birthday of that person is somewhere around the end of October and November. But in the exact birthday of that person, here beside the name will appear the icon of cake. So if you see the cake icon right there, now I can show you how it exactly looks, but it works in that way. The cake icon will appear right there if today is the birthday of that person. That's exactly the way how it works. I hope this video helped you out, so before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe.